welcome back to our channel AMSAB Taste. Today we are going to make Sorrel Trifle. Sorrel is a herb. You can use it to make juice, you can use it to make tea, but we are using it for trifle. This is a Madeira cake. You can use any plain cake or bake your own if you love baking. Transfer the cake into the bowl you are going to use for the trifle. After cutting the cake, you can start to prepare the jelly. I'm preparing the jelly now. I have put the kettle on to boil the water. Add the hot water. And mix the jelly until it's dissolved. Pour it over the cake. Put it in the fridge to set for 1.5 hours. Prepare the sorrel now. I'm going to add the boiled water. The water has to really boil. Soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. The sorrel is soaked enough. We can strain it. Use the juice to make the jelly. Add 50 grams sugar. Add 30 grams gelatine. It's all dissolved. Leave it in the fridge until it's about to set. Let's start preparing the homemade custard. 3 cups of fresh milk on a low heat. I'm going to use 4 egg yolks for the custard. Add 80 grams sugar. Add 30 grams cornflour. Vanilla extract. Whisk until it's all incorporated. I'm adding the mixture to the warm milk. You have to keep mixing continuously so that it won't stick to the bottom of the pan or get burned. It wouldn't be nice to eat a burnt custard. And this custard is better than buying a custard from the shops because this is homemade custard made from scratch. The custard is ready. I'm going to set it aside to cool down. The jelly is set. I'm going to add the custard on it. I'm going to put it aside to wait for the sorrel jelly. 500 milliliters fresh cream. I'm going to whip the cream. Add 1 teaspoon of icing soda. Now we can whip the cream. Now our cream is whipped. Our sorrel jelly is ready. Now we can put it on the custard. Add your fruits. It can be any fruit you like. Strawberries, blackberries, all the berries family. You can put other different fruits as you wish. Put it in the fridge to set for an hour. It's all set. Time to put the cream on. Our Sorrel Trifle is ready. You can see how beautiful it is. We're going to try it and see. Oh, this is so good. It is really nice. Wow. Oh, lovely. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, the notification bell. See you in our next video. Thank you so much. Bye.